How to install Sibelius Sounds through Avid Link. Sign in to Avid Link. Go to the Products tab. Locate Sibelius and click Include Apps and Plugins. Go to Sibelius Sounds and click Install. Follow the on-screen instructions. The installation might take around an hour, depending on your computer's specs. After installing the sounds, you'll get a message saying that the installation was successful. Launch Sibelius, then open any score. Go to Play tab, then click Configuration to change your sounds from General MIDI to Sibelius 7 sounds.